So here cos t, cos 2t, cos 3t. And we know we need to bring plus or minus in between this. So what I am going to do is, I will take these two functions. So we know cos A, cos B, trigonometric ratio. From there you will have cos A, cos B. 2 cos A, cos B is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay, this trigonometric relation we will take. So you can take either cos 2t, cos t, cos 2t, or cos 2t, cos 3t, or cos t, cos 3t, as you like, any two terms together. So 2 cos A, cos B, I am going to use this one. This is cos A, cos B form. Okay, so 2 cos A, cos B is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So here A is first, I am considering these two. So L of cos t, cos 2t, cos 3t. This is equal to L of, I am going to write this formula here. So cos 2t and cos t, cos 2t will be 1 by 2 of, because here cos A, cos B will be 1 by 2. We will take this 2 down. 1 by 2 of cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay. So here it will be 1 by 2 of cos A plus B, t plus 2t. T plus 2t is 3t. Okay, plus cos A minus B. So cos A minus B means t minus 2t. T minus 2t will come. Cos t minus 2t. So cos t minus 2t is, we know, cos of minus t. And cos of minus t is cos t. Because cos of minus theta is cos theta. Okay, so using that we will do this one. So it is cos t minus 2t is cos of minus t. I'll write cos of minus t. So that is done. Cos A, cos B formula. Using cos A, cos B formula, we have written this. This first, this term and this term. Then this is whole bracket into this cos 3t. Okay. So that is equal to, so what we did? Here we applied 2 cos A, cos B formula. Then this cos 3t is as it is. No change in this one. That's equal to, now 1 by 2 is a constant. I am taking it outside. 1 by 2 into, because here is it is into hai, then there is no issue. So you are taking this 1 by 2 outside as constant. 1 by 2 into L of, now this is cos 3t. Now cos of minus theta is cos theta plus, so cos of positive t aayega, and then into cos 3t. Okay, now that is equal to, that's equal to 1 by 2 of, now take that cos 3t inside, multiply this inside. So cos 3t into cos 3t is cos square 3t. Cos square 3t plus again cos t into cos 3t. Again you need to apply the formula there. So cos t into cos 3t. Okay, now this is equal to 1 by 2 into L of, now here we are going to apply two formula. We have a formula 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay, this formula. 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta, that is, this formula we will have, because there is no relation, no formula for this power except L of t raised to n. If it is cos square 3t, sin square 3t, or that trigonometric term raised to some power, you don't have any formula there, so you have to convert that into this multiple angles. Okay, so 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta, and if it is 2 sin square theta, here it will be minus. Okay, so here this cos square 3t I will write as, so here again you can see here, if cos square theta, when theta is here it is 2 times theta. Okay, when it is theta here it is 2 times theta. So if it is 2 theta here it will be 4 theta. Whatever comes here, whatever cos square of that angle comes here in this part you will have the double of that. So here cos square 3t means what will come? 1 plus cos 3. So it will be 60 divided by 2, because this is 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. So only cos square theta will be 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Okay. So then that is done, plus again now here cos A, cos B. same this formula, same way. So 2 cos A cos B is half of cos A plus B. Cos A plus B means t plus 3t, that is 4t, plus cos A minus B. A minus B means t minus 3t. So t minus 3t is minus 2t, and cos of minus 2t is cos 2t. So now what happened? All that into sign. All into sign is now changed to plus or minus sign. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into L of what you have here, 1 plus cos 6t divided by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 4t plus 1 by 2 cos 2t. This 1 by 2 I took out inside, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. You can do without that too. So 1 by 2 into, now everywhere you can see 1 by 2 common. So again 1 by 2 out into L of, now 10 by 10, L of 1 plus L of cos 6t plus L of cos 4t plus L of cos 2t, right? Then that is equal to 1 by 4 L of 1 by S plus L of cos 80, so it is S upon S square plus A is here 6, so 6 square plus here cos 4t, so S upon S square plus 4 square plus here it is cos 2t, so S upon S square plus 2 square, right? Now that is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by S plus S upon S square plus, here this little simplification because we know 6 square is 36, plus S upon S square plus 16 plus S upon S square plus 4.